Your number one homegrown tomatoes, 100% naturally preserved. Healthy for family and occasional consumption purposes. Tomatoes Jos, a tomatoes different from tomatoes. Double concentrated tomatoes mix. Total soluble solid, mineral, 24%. Manufactured in Nigeria by Tomatoes Jos Farm and Processing Limited. Plot 1, Tomatoes Jos Road off Old Jos Road at km 11 Kangimi, Igabi L.G. Kaduna State, Nigeria. Ingredients made of include water, tomatoes, sugar, soya fiber, thickening agent, salt, acidity regulator, permitted color, antioxidant, preserved with 100% natural additive. With love from farm to kitchen, Tomatoes Jos always a celebration. Net weight 65 gram, NAFDAC registration number A8-8636. Website, www.tomatojos.net. Do not accept if not properly sealed.